Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got my two braids and how I decorated them. So first I start off with this hair, Expressions. But it's super long, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it in half. So once I have it feathered, how I want to have it feathered, I'm gonna separate it and do different sections. And then what I'm gonna do is just separate them. So like small pieces to larger pieces, and then just keep them separate. And I just parted my hair down the middle. My hair's been washed, deep conditioned, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna take some of my melanin to moisturize my hair, like about that much. Rub it in the palm of my hand. And I'm doing this because I'm adding gel on top, and gel's drying. So I'm gonna be using my trusty, dusty Eco Styler gel. And if you watch any of my previous videos, you've seen this a lot. It's almost gone, so that's what I'll be using. As you can see here, prior to feeding in any additional hair to my hair, I am cornrowing my hair about a quarter of the way down. So I took half of the hair and put it underneath and began braiding about 3 times. Then I swung the other part of it underneath and continued to braid 3 times. So the thing to remember here is that the top hand is the hand where you want to feed the hair into. So you want to feed the hair underneath the current braid to the top hand, if that makes any sense. So if it doesn't make sense, hopefully you'll get it by watching, but it helps me a lot to remember that the top hand is the hand that you're always going to feed the hair into, and you're always going to feed it by going under. pieces sticking out. I'm just gonna cut them out. I'm gonna take my little rubber band and wrap it around. I'm not sure why, but this side was easier for me to braid. As you can see, I've started my cornrow about 1/4 of the way. Then I'm adding the hair, and the top hand is going to grab it from underneath, and then I'll just braid for about 3 braids. Once it gets back to the top hand, then I will grab the hair from underneath and continue braiding. And you just repeat this all the way down. I'm going to be adding some of this braiding cord. I got this from the beauty supply store, and it's silver. Let's see, maybe I should do about this big, about this long. Sorry if the lighting is bad because the sun is going down. Okay, so now that I have this, I'm gonna line up the ends and then wrap it around my hair once and then tie it to secure it. And then I'm just gonna crisscross down and around, down and around. front of my hair. I think that's enough. And you can tie it. Tie the end like so. You can double knot it. And then just clip it. And there we go. We have a nice little crisscross style. And then you just repeat on the other side. So I have I'm just using my Eco Styler gel. Take my head wrap and just wrap my hair up for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna get ready, put some makeup on, so I can head out. Okay, so I'm back. Did a little simple makeup look because I'm only going to run errands. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. So that's how I got this look that you see here, and I love it so much. I'm gonna keep it in for this week. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video so I can keep the videos coming, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, love you guys. Bye.